Making an origami heart is really easy. First of all, you take a square piece of paper and fold it diagonally. Cut along the fold until and take one of the halves. Fold the top of the triangle 2/3 of the way down. We then take both of the sides and fold it over the top. Next, we flip it over and fold in the edges like this. And voila!